All right, so one of the biggest complaint about GoPros are that the audio is just horrendous. So I bought a GoPro 3.5 millimeter mic adapter. So basically, with this, you can now plug in your shotgun mics. I got two over here. One's a smaller one, one's a bigger one. But you can also plug the Rode Wireless Go. So right now, I'm basically filming this using the onboard microphone from the GoPro Hero 5. Basically, this adapter will definitely work from Hero 5 to Hero 8. But the thing with the Hero 8 is that the media mod is now available. So basically, you can get a the media mod, and just plug in your external mic there. But if you don't have the Hero 8 and the media mod, this is what you had to do. Alright, so basically, this is a test. Let's see what the difference are. So basically, this is recording using the onboard microphone of the GoPro Hero 5. And 3, 2, 1. Alright, now I am actually recording using the GoPro audio adapter and the external mic. So let me know how it sounds like. So I think there's gonna be a difference, but no, I know that definitely there's a huge difference. I'm still using the smaller shotgun mic. I have the Asden here, but I think this will work just fine. Yeah. So this is how it's gonna look like if I'm gonna be vlogging. Oh, this is pretty sweet. Not gonna lie. Yeah, it's very compact, very manageable. Too bad this is a Hero 5, so it doesn't have the awesome hyper smooth functionality of the Hero 8. But this will work just fine. Peace.